Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. We welcome you all in our YouTube channel Education, Technology and Fun. Dear learners, today we shall read, learn and solve the exercise number 2.5 of Unit 2, Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai. This is an English lesson of Class 9 of Sindh Textbook Board. But before solving the exercise, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon as you can reach our upcoming videos. And like, comment and share our videos as more and more students and learners can get advantage. Unit 2.5 Study Skills. Note: for acquiring additional language skills. Not to be formally assessed. Editing practice continued. There are many types of activities that can help sharpen our editing skills. One such activity is the C test. In this activity, incomplete words have to be completed by using the context for clues to guess what the word might be. Exercise 1. The following passage is about the duties of a good citizen. Beginning from the second word of the second sentence, half or sometimes half plus one extra letters have been removed from every second word. Work in pairs and first orally complete all the words. Once you have done so, write the complete passage in your notebook. The duties of a good citizen. If we just think for a minute about the things and services we use in one day, we shall realize how much we owe to society. The milkman brings milk for us, the baker bakes the bread, the printer prints our books, the driver drives the bus in which we go to school or the place of work. The teacher teaches the pupils at school, the doctor treats the sick and the shopkeeper sells articles of daily use. The traffic policemen regulate the traffic signal that we may travel without any fear of accident. We must respect society for all the gifts. If a milkman mixes water in the milk, how can he expect other members of society they treat him fairly? If a shopkeeper gives short measure of sells substandard goods, he must be prepared to get the same kind of treatment from others. If we ignore traffic rules, we not only endanger the lives of others but our own as well. Many benefits we enjoy are provided by our own country and society. It is, therefore, our duty to be loyal and patriotic to Pakistan. We should pay our taxes promptly, fully and honestly, so that we may continue to enjoy all social benefits. Islam lays great stress on our duties as citizens. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, once said, God lays so much stress on the rights of our neighbors that I almost thought they would get the right of inheritance in our property. In short, we cannot be good Muslims without being good and dutiful citizens. Exercise 2. You are the editor of your school magazine. Work in pairs to edit the following passage for the school magazine. This exercise is done for you. Students have mainly three basic duties or responsibilities. They must obey their parents, teachers and elders. They must help their parents in simple home chores. They must not be unresponsive to parents or teachers. Students must follow the standards of discipline. They must establish a routine of studies. They must learn and practice good manners and habits. Regular reading should be a part of their daily routine, and this reading habit will make them more intelligent and knowledgeable, and moreover, it will also improve their overall language skills and vocabulary. Besides study, they must exercise daily. They must avoid watching too much TV. They must be polite and respectful towards everyone. They must eat healthy food and avoid eating food that is unhealthy.